did you start by saying romantic comedy? Just curious. Romantic
There is
comedy?
comedy and there is romance, but there are so many other things that it does not really qualify as a romantic comedy, I think.
Yeah, I wouldn't classify Tamasha as your quintessential romantic comedy in that sense. I think it has a lot of heart and a lot of soul, um, and it's very real, you know. And I think for a lot of us who are going to watch the film, I think there's a lot of reality, there's a lot of truth within the film. So yes, I think the Corsica and things like Matar Gashti are like the fun bits, but there's also a lot of heart and soul in the film. So you were talking about the sequence. Uh, See, I can't talk about other films. I can definitely tell you that in this film, um, there are scenes within the song. So exactly like Ranbir said, like even when we were shooting Agar Tum Saath Ho, for us, we're not shooting a song sequence. We're actually shooting a scene because the narrative moves forward. It's not like, he's not the kind of filmmaker who um, suddenly breaks into a song and takes you to some fantasy land and then brings you back. It's not, this film doesn't allow for that more than anything else. I think it's very, very true to the moments, and I think it kind of takes the story forward. So I don't think in this situation, yeah, no.
But I'm trying to be the filmmaker that can break the narrative and just have a song. It's my aspiration.
Ha ha. Oh, hi. Faridun. Very, very. I mean, even like if you look at Heer To Badi Sad Hai, like we were discussing, it's a sad, technically it's a sad situation. And you'll realize how sad it is when you see the film. But we're saying it through the lyrics and in a sort of quirky, fun way without actually doing it in a typical sad song. I think the situation in the film would have easily allowed for that. We could have easily gone into making like a sad song that, you know, but I think it's being true to what the film is also. Tamasha is something that talks about, can I say, breaking stereotypes? And expressing it differently. And I think we were expressing the mood of Tara very, very differently from how one would normally express that, something like that.
Sir, what is your favorite song in terms of lyrics?
In terms of lyrics, I think Tu Koi Aur Hai. I think again such a tricky song to write because you're spelling out a certain emotion or certain thing that's happening at that part in a film, and and to not make it literal and to really make it a little bit about the feeling of a character and the emotion, then actually putting it into words. And I think Irshad Bhai really does that really well. So I think Tu Koi Aur Hai is my favorite song where lyrics are concerned. But also the simplicity of Agar Tum Saath Ho, you can't take that away from that just because Tu Koi Aur Hai is a harder song to write, but a simple song like Agar Tum Saath Ho, which really cuts through and people really connect with. It's because of breaking the poetry in words and just making it so simple and so touching is also quite cool.
ये मैं जवाब देता हूँ, उसके पहले मैं पूछना चाहूँगा सिड से और साजिद भाई से कि इनको कौन सा गाना पसंद है फिल्म में?
I'd probably say Agar Tum Saath Ho. It's a beautiful, beautiful song, and it's really simple, beautiful lyrics, and it conveys so much by saying so little. So,
For me, it was Matar Gashti. It's fantastic. From day one, I liked it, and I thought it would score with the audience, and it's doing one. It's on the chart #1.
The brief is always the story, and you tell the story, you discover the basic point of making the film. and you try to then talk about how you want to express it, express the movie itself before you even come down to the song. And then, I mean, it's not very different from the way you would actually brief an actor to begin with, or how you will try to convince the producer. It's the same thing, you know, just to tell the basic point of the story first. And one thing, Faridun, since you had asked, I must also say about Irshad and Rahman sir and the way that we have been working, is that it is not as though Rahman sir makes a tune and then Irshad writes in the words. In all the compositions that you know, that are in the film, there is much of it that's written first and then Rahman sir composes. Then the way he composes, the lyrics do change, but something like Agar Tum Saath Ho or Heer To Badi Sad Hai, these things were written before Rahman sir actually composed. लगती है तो एक्चुअली जो मेरी बाकी टीम है एडिटर वगैरह वो लोग मुझे ज़्यादा रोकते हैं कि मत मत काटो मगर मैं लास्ट मोमेंट तक काटता ही रहता हूँ because we already did a session with him in which there was a very, very detailed discussion with A.R. Rahman and Irshad and myself about the music. So this is her party. So you ask her why he's not there.
I wanted it to just be you and I, like me and y'all. But
Even we are gate crashing.
I just want to
actually.
say, yeah, I was just going to say that they have crashed my party.
At this moment, yes. Yeah, yeah. At this moment, yes, because
You can't talk about any other movie right now. I'm standing here.
sorry.
This good.
I am 2 days. Should I go give the shot and come back? Will you all still be here?
You have to go. Do you all have to ask him any questions? Otherwise, I think we can continue. Correct.
क्या जी?
ऐश्वर्या के साथ शूटिंग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
वो अभी सेट पे है और अगर मैं नहीं पहुंचूं तो बहुत मारेंगे तो मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा अभी. अगर मैं सरप्राइज बोल दूं तो सरप्राइज नहीं रहेगा ना. हाँ है कुछ. Even Abhishek's in town, and I think the entire crew is going to celebrate her birthday on the first evening. Thank you guys.
Okay,
Deepika, thanks for
bye.
I'll see you guys. Imtiaz sir, Sajid bhai, Sid, see you guys soon. Day after sir मैं आ रहा हूँ. Airport पे मिलेंगे sir.
Bye.
You guys. Thank
Bye,
you.
bye, bye.
Bye,
Bye, bye,
guys.
bye, bye, bye.
All the best.
Thank you sir.
All the
Deepika here.
Innovative, I don't know. I don't think the idea was to try and be innovative. I think the idea really was to share this experience with all of you because I've also been shooting for Tamasha and shooting for Baji Rao and the music went out and I don't think I I didn't get the opportunity before this to share the music and to talk about the experience for us as actors, Riaz and Rahman making music. You know, I think for every actor, that's a very, very special moment, and I wanted to share that moment with all of you.
दीपिका तारा और दीपिका में कोई सिमिलैरिटी है?
One second. Yes, sir.
हाँ? I can't.
समझ में नहीं आया सर फिर से बोल सकते हैं?
I don't know. Nargis ji or Madhubala maybe? I don't know. Honestly, I don't think it's the most ideal situation for me because I think we all work so hard on every movie, and you want each one to have its own space and, to do it sort of properly. But when I look at the overall picture, of course, I'm selfish as an actor also, and I'm very, very excited that I have 3 very, very special films that are going to release in the same year. So Piku's already released, and we have Tamasha and Bajirao. So as an actor, I'm very, very happy. But I wish that it sort of, I don't know.
दीपिका और तारा में कितनी similarities हैं?
Sure, absolutely. I don't really have an opinion on this actually. As actors, we do our work, and that's about it. When to release, how much to release. I don't think these are questions that I've ever asked, and I don't get involved in that aspect of filmmaking. I've done my bit as an actor, and I hope that all the films, everything does well.
We'll take the last question, please. Last question.
What are the similarities?
I think that
Ek second, let her answer, please.
there are similarities, but it's not very, very similar. This is a part that I've had to play. It's not something like, say, some of my other characters that I've played that have come to me very naturally. I've had to act a little bit within the film. It's not a character that I completely identify with.
Deepika, coming
Thank
back
you.
to Agar Tum,
Guys,
you were emotionally drained.
We're
and
running out of time.
You were
Thank you. Thank you so much.